Hey guys, so I just got another little leather project that I'm working on here. I got my uh, piece here all cut out. This is gonna be this is a belt loop. I got another belt loop here. Got the holes all punched. I don't know if you can guess what this is gonna be, but um, the two leather pieces here are veg tan, and so I stained it with this EcoFlow leather dye. It's a timber brown, and the side pieces are veg tan too, but it's a thinner veg tan. So this was a piece, so just to basically it's is a scrap piece. Like I got one of those craft kits, I think from Hobby Lobby or uh, Michaels or one of those, and this was just big enough for this project, so I figured I'd use it. Maybe I'll try something different on another one, but I'll kind of give you an idea what I'm looking at here. This one I already got sewed on, saddle stitched. But what I'm looking at is the plan is for this to sit in here like this, and the plan is that I'm able to fit two of these, two Altoids tins, or one and whatever else I want to put in here, but then this is going to fold over, and then this will be on the side here. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do for to hold this down, if I'm gonna do, some kind of a leather strap here, or just some kind of a toggle or buckle or something. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm gonna figure that out as I go, but just wanted to kind of show you what I had going on here to start with, and as we move along with this project, we'll put this together and get it out for you. Just wanted to show you I finished up this uh, belt pouch, and I just wanted to show you how it wears. I'm liking it just back behind the side loop here, so it's not like right on the front of my hip, and then I can still have my Leatherman here. So I think it turned out pretty nice. I decided to go with just a snap buckle, and so I got my char tin, Altoids tin, and this one I just got still got mints in it, so but they fit nice. There's still a little bit of room that you could put some whatever in the front here, front or back. Rides nice back here. It turned out pretty well. I did find that, like, in the back between the two loops here, I can actually slide like a Coughlin's ferro rod back here if I wanted. But what I'll probably end up doing is, I'm going to have my Altoids survival tin in here. There's room in here for a ferro rod, but you'd want a 4-inch one or something. So what I'll do now is kind of got a little view of how it wears on the on the belt, and I'll pause this and bring you back in and show you a close-up of it with it finished. Okay, so here's the finished pouch here. I got one coat of the Febrings 4-Way Care leather conditioner that I used on it. It did darken up the color a little bit when you use that. So I used the stamp here. I did a little gecko embossing or stamp and a Cocopelli stamp. And the stitching is all done with brown hemp thread, and then I waxed it to seal it up. The sides are, I think it's like a 2 ounce, 1 to 2 ounce, 2 ounce like sheepskin. It's a thinner leather. And here's the 2 straps, and these are all, this is all veg tan. The straps are veg tan, everything's saddle stitched with brown hemp thread. And this is the inside, it's wax that. Fits pretty easy. Fairly good retention actually. For my first leather belt pouch, and so kind of show you what I do as far as conditioning this, and just put a little bit on a rag and I rub it in. So it'll darken up a little bit more. This will seal and protect it. It cleans the leather. I like this one. It's it's a 4-way, so it cleans it, seals, protects it, conditions it. That or I like to use mink oil too after. So yeah, I ran out of memory on my card, so pick up where we left off. I was talking about, after it wears a little bit, that I like to use a mink oil on it to bring it back and waterproof it. But I got this all conditioned with the leather conditioner. So then once you get done with that, then I just come back and you can kind of just, once it dries, you kind of come back and just buff it out a little bit with a dry cloth. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, that's it. A couple little stamps. Well, for my first one, you know, the worst part is obviously the stitching is the worst part, but kind of get a hang of it after a little bit. Kind of get in a little bit of a groove. Fingers are a little bit sore, but yeah, I think it turned out real nice for my first attempt, and just wanted to share that with you guys. Kind of go through some of the process. I didn't really go through the stitching part. It kind of gets kind of boring, and some of it kind of gets kind of frustrating too at the same time. But I'll definitely, you know, probably be making some more of these. Maybe just use a veg tan on the whole thing, and stain it, you know, some different colors or whatever. But I think it turned out good for my first attempt, and I'm definitely gonna use it. You know, I can pretty much, you know, make a couple kits, a fishing kit and a mini survival kit or whatever, or a flint and steel kit and a mini survival kit, and you know, and kind of just have it on your side while you're out there instead of having to carry a whole pack around or whatever. But yeah, I think it turned out good. Please like, share, and comment, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.